Hi, welcome back to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This one is Sailor Moon, and of course, I had to show you guys how to do the hair tutorial for Sailor Moon because I feel like her hair is literally iconic. So we are going to jump right into that. I am parting my hair right down the middle, and I'm creating two pigtails right at the top of my head, but I am keeping the hair in the front of my face, so if you have bangs, this will probably be really easy for you, but I just have shorter pieces in the front. I'm taking those out of the pigtails before I put them in pigtails, otherwise it'll be a little harder, and just putting them off to the side for later. Once I've gotten my pigtails done, I'm going to take one piece of hair out of the ponytails, and then I'm going to back comb or tease the rest of the hair so that when we put it in buns, they will be bigger, fluffier buns. I know I look like I have a lot of hair, which I do have a lot of hair, but it's thinner, so I want to make sure that I'm back combing and teasing so that the buns are nice and thick. I'm just going to wrap the hair around and then pin the buns to my noggin. And then once we've gotten the buns in, I'm going to release all the hair in the front, and I'm going to take the two pieces that were a part of the pigtails and just pull them to the back. I'm then going to curl those two pieces, and then I'm going to curl all of the shorter pieces of hair in the front of my face, and I curled them towards my face. And of course, the two pieces of hair that I took out of the pigtails were completely different lengths, but it's okay. Onto the makeup. We're starting off with my brows, and we're just doing them as I normally would do my brows. Also, these red gems right here, I wasn't going to do red gems because I didn't have any, and then I took a quick trip over to Michael's and I found them. It was a bit of a process, and I had to buy a lot of gems just to get these little ones right here, but I was able to find them, and I'm really happy that I did because it really made the look Sailor Moon. The makeup tutorial for this look is pretty simple. It's not a hard makeup look at all. It really is just focused on the crown, which you'll see at the end. So I'm going to kind of just let this play. And if you guys have any questions about the makeup look itself, comment down below and I will be sure to get back to you and answer. Okay, so we are at the part where I do the crown. Oh my god, I'm just noticing this. My tweezer was stuck to my mirror. Oh my goodness. Okay, so basically I'm just using this Makeup Forever Flash palette to shape out this V in the middle of my head. Added some of a gold pigment on top to really make the gold stand out. Then some of that, I want to say Pretty Young thing, but PYT Beauty glitter on top, just to make it even more glittery. And then I did shade a little bit around the headpiece so that it looked like it was kind of not like a little 2D, 3D kind of. And then I used some lash glue to attach the little gem to the center. And I was so happy because you have no idea, I went through a process trying to figure out these jewels. But this is the final look and I hope you guys like it.